Hello everyone. Finally, 2023 Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV is spied again during the testing in India. But the good thing is, in these spy shots we can clearly see the exterior, interior, all the features, and the most important thing is, the company will be offered 4v4 system or not. So all the details we will see in this video. Mahindra Thar is always demanding SUV in Indian market, and the looking and design of this upcoming 5-door SUV is exactly same as the 3-door Thar. It get boxy look and muscular profile. The overall looking is really good and it will be attract the audience by its looking and design. It get a lots of exterior features like round shape headlamp, 7 slatted front grills, and fender mounted LED DRLs, bonnet latch, Mahindra Thar branding as well. And in the rear section it gets same features like 3-door SUV, but in the side view it get a larger size 18-inch alloy wheels and outer rear view mirrors, door handles, and many more. Upcoming Thar 5-door SUV is based on the Mahindra Scorpio N platform, so definitely it will be get more power and performance as compared to the 3-door Mahindra Thar. The upcoming 5-door SUV get 2.0 liter turbo petrol motor, and this unit is capable to generate a peak output power of 200 HP and 370 Nm peak output torque also. And this engine unit is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission and automatic transmission option. And it also get 2.2 liter diesel motor, and this unit is available in 2 states of tune, 172 HP peak output power and 370 Nm peak output torque as well. So after that, talking about the 4v4 system, the Mahindra company is not offering 4v4 system on this upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV because of the pricing will be increased. To maintaining the affordable price range of this upcoming SUV, the company will not offering 4v4 system. Apart from this, talking about the interior and features, we can see the little bit changes in the interior of this upcoming SUV because of it gets same design dashboard to the current model of Thar 3-door, and the front seating layout is also same, but in the rear seats it get decent legroom and larger size boot space as well. And maybe the company will be offer different seating layouts in this upcoming SUV. So yeah, this is the features and specifications of this upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So yeah, thank you for watching.